What if a volcano wasn't just shaped by nature, but by love? This is the legend of the Mayon Volcano, a timeless tale from the Philippines. Magayon, a maiden admired for her beauty, fell in love with the warrior Panganoron. But their love faced envy. A jealous rival challenged him, and both lovers died, together, too soon. Her people buried her with grief, and from that very place, the earth rose, forming a perfect cone-shaped mountain. It became Mayon Volcano. Locals say her spirit rests within, calm, graceful, but never gone. When her heart stirs again, they believe the volcano will rise with the memory of her love. Because sometimes the land remembers what the heart cannot forget.